Hi and welcome back. Now in this video I want to help one of my members in Bing Bang Profits, and basically he wants to learn how to track using his landing page and sending ads and tracking everything from finding out what keywords they're going to be converting, what's converting on his page, etc. So I'm going to give him an example and I'm going to create this training to help this person right here, and so I can add it in the members area as well. So basically what we want to do here is create a landing page, a bridge page of some sort that we're going to be promoting a Clickbank offer. So what we're going to do is we're going to build this quick bridge page or landing page or whatever, so we can set everything up in whole. Okay, because he wants to do it through a bridge page. So let's find an offer that I can send traffic to and collect leads. Maybe just give them a report of some sort. So I know I was checking this out the other day and I was testing things out. One thing that you can do is maybe try this Baby Sleep Miracle and we'll see what we can do with this. So in the Baby Sleep Miracle affiliates, they do have a free report that I can actually use. They also have landing pages that I can use, I believe. Oh, it just tells you how the landing page would look like. Okay, so this is a good idea of maybe I'll just do a bridge page taking them to something like this, and they give you all the details here on you can have you can have all these, but we're not going to do this because we want to use actually I could actually use that. Maybe I can use that as an example of what I can do. No, I decided I'm gonna actually just give a free report because they also have a free report, and all you have to do is put your ID and then click on the download, so you can also have it for yourself. So now you have the PDF, unbranded version, okay, default, okay. So in this PDF right here, okay, you are gonna, all your links are based on this. Okay, so if I click on let's see, Baby Sleep Miracle, I'm going to show you a little trick here. First of all, you can see that my affiliate ID is in there, and I can, where is it? And so when somebody wants to add it to cart and buy it, all right, if you come down here, you can see that my affiliate ID is right there. So you can test and see if you got it right. All right, so I've got my report that I'm going to be giving away. Now, the cool thing about this report is you don't have to download it anywhere. So the way that you're going to be doing this, well, actually you have the PDF. Yeah, you have to upload it somewhere that you can share it. So my best suggestion is to get a Dropbox if you don't have some kind of hosting. Just sign up to Dropbox, it's free, and upload it there. I'm not, let me just create a new account. So let me sign in with my account. Okay, so right now I'm inside my Dropbox. Just go ahead and upload your file. And remember, this has all your actual stuff in there. All right, so it's uploading. And then basically we're going to take this link and we're going to offer it when they click on it. Okay, but we can also track on who's also clicking on this link. So, all right, so here it is. Now what I want to do is I want to share it, okay, and create link. Okay, so copy my link. So we got my link. Now we're going to head over into the Bing Bang Profit software. We're going to add our link. So this is our Baby Sleep Report. Baby Sleep Report. And we're gonna be promoting Clickbank Affiliate Network, and this is gonna be the baby sleep PDF report. This is the link. All right, so I know this is the link. Basically, I don't even need tracking on this. Actually, it's just a link that I know where it's coming from anyways. Okay, so we are going to add. So now I got myself a link for the baby report. So keep that somewhere safe, etc. All right. Now the next step is to create the landing page that I'm going to be collecting the leads to this. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and try. I'm going to go with my convert tree. I use Igloo and convert tree, just so you know. And I'm going to create a new funnel. I will, let's see, I'll choose something that's, there's many templates and everything that you can use, but we're going to go for the info funnel. Call it baby sleep. Go ahead and use my convert tree link. All right, so I'm going to edit this page. I'm going to go back into the PDF and see what kind of tools they have for me. So let me go to banners or product images actually. There we go. And I'm going to save this. Okay, and I'm going to go back into convert tree, change image, upload. All right, looks pretty nice. Then I'm going to go back into the stuff and let's see what kind of stuff I can get in terms of ideas to use. So let me go to banners. All right, this could be something that I could use, or actually let me go back to the affiliate page and go to let me go to landing pages. That's true, forgot about this. So I'm going to use this idea. So let me move it here and come back into convert tree. I'm going to say this is how to get any baby to sleep. All right, so this actually discover the breakthrough story of how a 31-year-old mother who finally found a trick to get her baby to sleep by using this simple trick. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to fix this up here. Just going to design it a little bit. Let me come back. For this, I'm not going to be creating, collecting leads, but I'm actually going to direct link them to the Dropbox one. Okay. So right now I've just created this thing here. I'm still fixing it, still designing. Let me finish up and I'll come back. Now, to get some terms and conditions for this specific offer, I don't suggest you do this. This is up to you. It's your risk or whatever, but I'm going to make it easy. What I like to do sometimes when I'm testing or I'm just sending something that it's theirs, I'm gonna use their terms and conditions kind of thing. So I'm just gonna go to the sales page, and again, this is your own risk. I don't suggest you do this. I'm doing this for people that don't want to get a hosting, don't want to get domains or whatever, and you're doing direct linking or whatever it is that you're doing with bridge paging. I would just come and copy this. All right, and then I'll just add it into my page here in the terms and services. Okay. Now you might have to connect links and stuff, but I mean, here it is. So this is in white, so I need to bring it in black. And yeah, it's already hyperlinked. Okay, so each one has its thing. Perfect. And like I said, I'm using theirs and I shouldn't, but for this occasion, I'm just gonna do it for training purposes, okay? Like I said, not something I suggest you do. And this is all right. Now, I'm gonna create this page real quick also for the mobile, make sure that's all set up. And let me get back. All right, so in this button right here, we are gonna put our actual link from Bing Bang Profits link that we created. So this is the baby sleep report. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my link. All right, come back into Convert Tree, and then in the general place, I'm gonna call this PDF baby sleep. All right. Come into general and then put a link and put the link right there. So you can see that this is my tracking right now for the specific one. Okay. So I'm going to save. I will publish this baby sleep. All right. And I'm going to view the page. I'm going to test it out. Okay, as you can see, I just clicked on it and it takes me to the Dropbox where they can get it, and it's got my links in there. Let's see if everything's working just to make sure, because I don't want to send traffic somewhere. And you can see it is already, you can see it right here in the corner. The link is actually my affiliate links. So we're good to go, okay? So now we've created our landing page. This is actually a bridge page. Now, sometimes the landing page creators give you a domain that you can use. So what I'm gonna do, no matter what, where, and how you created this landing page, if you put it on a domain, if you put it on your own hosting, if you're masking it, I don't care what it is, I want this link right here. You see this? I want you to copy that domain of your landing page that you have this offer. Come back into my Bing Bang Profits and go ahead and add the link again. So I'm adding the primary URL this time is my lander, okay? I'm gonna be sending traffic through Bing ads. So I know where I'm getting ads from. This is our baby sleep lander, baby sleep lander. And what I'm gonna do as well is after I've added this, okay, I'm gonna come back into the lander. So we're gonna head over and get our pixel now. And what we're gonna do is the revenue for this is basically depending on what, how much it's offered. So it's $20.75 when it converts, okay? So we're gonna go back here and just put 28. We're gonna copy this, and you can actually track sales on your site. Okay, so my site is my actual lander. So I'm gonna copy this link right here, and I'm gonna go back into Convertry. Okay, and I'm gonna go into my settings so I can fix this page. So on my page, I will head over down to the where is it? Default meta social custom scripts, and I've already got my custom script there, but this is where I'm going to be pasting it. And like I said, you put in everything that you required and done, and then I'll just need to publish this, and we're good to go. So every time something converts, I'm going to be able to see that, you know what, it converted, they went over to the PDF, and then when they click on here to buy, you will also be generating the clicks and everything in your area right here in the baby sleep report. Now, when you're ready to inject your links to your website, to your ad copy, you're gonna use the baby sleep lander, not the baby sleep report. You're gonna be collecting all the data on keywords, revenue, and everything on the baby sleep lander one. This is gonna show you how many people have actually downloaded it. So it's a good info for you to use. Now let's go and get started with this campaign. So let's go ahead and create our campaign. And we want visits to website, baby sleep report. And I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do here is basically, I'm gonna go with my budget is gonna be 37.
And I'll tell you all
and I'll tell you why. I'm gonna try this. This is something new I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna do it here. You can follow it or not. It's up to you if you can afford it. But if I put a budget of 37 and I make a sale on that 37, I can then reinvest and then play around with it. I want to see results quickly. Hopefully I can see it this way. So this is me just showing you a way that I'm just going to test out something based on just per day, okay? Or a full-on budget on 37 if you want. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose people that are in my targeted locations. Only this, right? Now let me choose specific locations. So I'm going to do United States. And that's it, because I want to test this offer. And I'm going to go to save and go to next. Now the website URL, you don't put anything. And then here just put baby sleep and leave it as is. Baby sleep. And save, go to next. Just one keyword. Create ad. Now in this area right here, I'm going to go ahead and go to my Convertry page. So I'm going to take my link. I'm going to take the link of my lander and I'm going to add it there. I'm going to name this basically this. Okay, let me. You can get ideas from, again, the banners. They've got a lot of details on what you can use. All right, so I got some ideas, added it, and I'm just gonna leave and save and go to next. Gonna scroll down, I'm gonna go to save and go to next. And in my bids, I'm gonna go ahead and put manual, and I'm gonna have it at $1. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on save. I've already added funds, so I'm ready to go. And now what I'm gonna do next is basically go to click on your ad. All right, go to settings, scroll down and go to demographics and make sure you decrease this by 90, decrease this by 90. Let's decrease this by 90. We'll keep it in this range and we will decrease this by 90 and save. And the reason why is because of the demographics that I'm focusing on. Okay, so now the ad is running. Now the next step is go back into your Bing Bang Profit software. All right, and we will go into the Bing competition because we're going to add a couple more ads in there. I'm just going to find an ad that I think is related to my thing, to my ad. Let me try that. Let me try that. And let me put one that is targeted for them to buy. So where is it? This one right here. Baby Sleep Miracle is promoting their stuff. So I'm going to create an ad. I'm going to refresh. I'm going to go ahead and find the ad that I created. It's the report. Okay, ad group. And you can see this is my final URL that I have already of my lander. I'm going to create. These ads were pushed over. I'm going to go to Bing Suggest. And let's get some more keywords out there. It's already part of that. So I'm going to go ahead and add them into my campaign. I'm going to put $1 to it and add as broad and click. One of them already exists. That's why I'm getting the red. That's all good. The rest have been added. Going back into my links. Head over down to the actual lander. Okay, you see this part right here. I'm going to click on it. And what I'm going to do next is set tracking URL. Choose the actual campaign. Choose the ad group. Everything is ready. And let's set. Correct. This is set. Everything is set. So I'm going to go back into my campaign. And from one ad that I have, if I refresh, I now have these ads, and if I go to keywords, all the keywords that I chose that are about my campaign and from the campaigns that my software found, and we're ready to go. This is, oh, and for one more thing, so you can see that it's tracking properly. Right now I'm tracking everything because I've added my tracking, I injected my tracking. So if I wanted to check if this is properly set up, you can see that landing page found, everything's set up. This has been pushed in from my tracking tool, and the data that it's collecting is basically the game changer in this, because now I'll know who's clicking on what, okay, which keyword, etc. Now this is unknown because I clicked it myself, but you can see that everything's set up here for me to get details on what's going on. And when it converts, I'm going to see the revenue here, and it will tell me which keyword made it convert. Okay, this is the game changer of our software, and this is how we just set up another tracking using the lander. Now the details that I'm going to be getting here is telling me who actually basically got the report, downloaded the report. This is more data that you can be using, etc. Now, in terms of revenue, you won't be able to see the revenue because it depends where you put the report. So if you added it into an autoresponder, if you collected leads and you send them, you'll know then that it came from Aweber, and it will show you the conversions. But it's all tracking as well right now with Clickbank. All right, so whoever downloads, you'll know where this came from. And this is how you set up everything. You have all the data here and you're ready to go. Now, if you wanted to take it a little bit further, you can also split test and see which ad is working based on the metrics and stuff from your specific offer. So, you know, if I want to check which of my ads are working right now for that specific campaign, I'm going to name it the Baby Sleep Report. I'm going to select a campaign which is my Baby Sleep Report right here. Ad group Baby Sleep. I want to split test the ads, and I want to split test my link. So that's the report. And I'm going to go ahead and choose the metrics that I want based on. So I want to do it from metrics of every 5. Actually, no. I'm going to do hours. I'm going to do 6 hours. I'm going to do the conversion rate of the specific ad. Okay, I want to run this for 6 hours and see what kind of details I can get and create. Now this is going to give me data on which ad copy is working based on my metrics right here. You only choose one of the 4. Now understand something, this goes into your ads account and it pauses ads and continues ads when it completed its specific report. So it's going to be working now, and then until you know, until it's done. Like an example would be, it'll tell you what's been working, and you can pick out which ad converted or, you know, made money, etc. So like this one gave me a good, you know, conversion, and you can see all the details here. So this is what my Bing Bang Profit software does, and this is how you would track specifically for bridge pages and landing pages. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you in the next video.